Hi sellers, welcome to our video on product listing. Want to expand your business globally? Let's walk through the essentials of product listing on Amazon Global Selling so you can reach millions of customers across Amazon's 18+ international marketplaces. Let's begin by understanding what a product listing is. It's the product detail page your customer sees when they shop, including your product title, images, description, price, and features. Before listing your products on Amazon, you need to have a few things ready. An Amazon Seller Central account, product identifiers such as UPC, EAN, or GTIN, high-quality product images, a detailed description and bullet points, keyword, help your product appear in customer searches, compliance or safety documents if your product falls under a regulated category. If you're adding a product that's new to Amazon and doesn't have a barcode, you may need to purchase a UPC code or apply for a GTIN exemption. You can request this directly through your Seller Central dashboard. Also, keep in mind that some product categories require approval before you can list them. These include items like health supplements, beauty products, and certain electronics. Make sure to check the category guidelines in Seller Central and apply for approval if needed. In the next video, we'll learn how to list your products and take your business global on Amazon. Thank you and happy selling!